In this video, we will learn about prime number programming using Java 8 Stream. Right now, this is a very common question in Java interview. Interviewer can ask in a different varieties like how to generate prime number using Java 8 Stream, how to print series of prime number, how to print series of prime number given two numbers. Before moving on Java practical, I'll tell you about the prime number. So prime number is the number that is divisible by itself or 1. So like 3, 2, 5, 7, all are the prime number. If you want to know more about the prime number, so link given into the description. You can watch YouTube and you can know a lot of things about the prime number. In this video, we will cover that questions by using Java 8 features. Now I'll create the method. That method will return is number prime or not. So I'll create a method here, private static return type will boolean, method name prime, and I'll provide the method argument as a string number, and I'll return int stream. This is nothing, just a sequence of primitive integer. Use range closed method. That method return int stream itself by incrementing one step. In that I can provide the two parameter start. So I'll start it from the 2 and close it number divided by 2, and I'll use method none match. That method return true if nothing will match. If any will match, it will return false. Okay, so I'll use here I and lambdas number modular I equals to 0. Okay, so if number is prime, then it will return true. If number is not prime, then it will return false. Now we will check it. For checking it, I have pasted the below code here. So from this code, we can check it. Okay, so simply I pass 4 from this method, and if it will return true, then is number prime, or else not prime number. Okay, I'll run it. Not prime number. So 4, of course, it's not a prime number because it divided by 1, 2, and 4 itself. I'll pass 5 here and run again it. This is prime number because 5 divided by only 1 or 5 itself. For more testing, I can use 8 or any number you can use it and run it. So this is not a prime number, you can see here, because 8 divided by 4, 2, 1 and 8 itself. Now I'll cover, we will print the series of prime number. So I'll create one more method here, simply private static list of integer prime numbers. Okay, I'll use int that will show up upper limit. Means I want to print I want to print the series of prime number from 2 to upper limit. I mean, if I provide the upper limit 100, then it will print the prime number from 2 to 100 till 100 prime number. Okay, in simple way I can say. So I'll write the logic here. So for that, I'll return, I'll use int stream dot, again I'll use the same method, range closed, and I'll start from 2 because prime number always start from 2 and till number. So I'll use the upper limit, and here I'll use filter, and from filter I'll use like I, lambda, and is prime. So right now it can be also, we can say, kind of predicate in Java. Okay, so it will return true or false for given number. So I'll pass the I inside this method, and here simply what I'll use the collect, and from the collect method bracket I can use the collector. Okay, this is the collector, and I want to wound it inside the to list. So I can print here, I'll use the to list, method. Okay, but this is not working because this is not returning range as a stream itself. For returning the stream I'll use the boxed method here. Now I can use collectors, not collect, and I'll use the string. So this will return the series of number. Okay, so I'll just comment it out this code, and I'll test it only. System dot out dot print ln numbers, and I want till 100 prime numbers. Okay, then I'll run it. So for running it I'll right click and run this program. You can see there is the prime number list of prime number till 100. Okay, so what will you provide upper limit, that till that number it will print or return the list of number. Now second question can come in interview, print the number between two given numbers. Okay, so here I'll create the one more method. I just copy paste this method signature, or I can entirely copy paste this method. Okay, because it's a very small change, I'll tell you. Here I'll change the name of the method between given numbers. Okay, and one more int variable I add inside that, is start limit. So I use the two variable. So inside that just I need to pass at place of 2 start. Now this method will return the prime number. For example, I'll test it, no problem. I'll use this method. This is the start limit, and I just want to print from 50 to 100. From 50 to 100 prime numbers things, prime numbers. You can see 53, 59, 61 kind of prime numbers. So right now interview want to know about, because you can see a lot of things you can use from Java 8 stream. Right now this is playing a role of predicate. So if anyone want to ask to you about the what is the predicate, you can also take this number. So you can also take this example. Suppose I want to print the series of a prime number till given number, and suppose I want to print the series of a prime number between two given numbers. Then one method is prime, that will return number is prime or not. I'll use as a predicate. So from the filter you can see this is we are using as a predicate. Okay, so thank you watching for this. I'll come with the new interview questions.